Hello there and welcome to Top Products. Today I'm going to be talking about the top 5 best microwaves for 2023. I've tested a lot of different microwaves over the past few years and I've narrowed it down to these 5 models. They all have great features and performance, so you're sure to find one that's perfect for your needs. 5. Toshiba M131 of 5XEB. The Toshiba M131 of 5ZB EEs is a great budget-friendly option. It has a 1.1 cubic foot capacity, 10 power levels, and a sensor cook feature. It's also easy to use and clean.
Stockmusic.net.
4. Panasonic N67s. The Panasonic N67s is a mid-range microwave with a 1.2 cubic foot capacity, 10 power levels, and a variety of presets. It's also very quiet, so you can use it without disturbing others. 3. Sharp Silk 1442. The Sharp Silk 1442s is a high-end microwave with a 1.4 cubic foot capacity, 11 power levels, and a convection cooking feature. It's also very easy to clean thanks to its removable crumb tray.
Stockmusic.net.
2. Samsung McCulloch 7035s. The Samsung McCulloch 7035s GG is a smart microwave with a 1.1 cubic foot capacity, 10 power levels, and a Wi-Fi connection. You can use your smartphone to control the microwave, set timers, and even view cooking instructions. 1. G-Profile Just 2251s. The G-Profile Just 2251s is the best microwave on the market. It has a 1.2 cubic foot capacity, 11 power levels, a convection cooking feature, and a built-in air fryer. It's also very easy to use and clean.
Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Comment down below what you want me to make a list of next.